Good afternoon. This is Dara Molotsky reporting live from New Jersey. Today I'll be measuring the distance the cross-country runner Jeff Hochberg can run.
Jeff Hochberg, Lenape High School Indians.
Here's a clip from his most recent race.
Look, if you had one shot.
Hi, I'm here from Sports Math Insider, and we have a few questions for you, Jeff Hochberg.
Yeah, what's up?
How far are you racing?
5 miles.
How can you be sure?
Well,
I guess we'll just have to find out.
Jeff Hochberg will start his race at point 01. We mapped out the race of champions, and that's the starting point. Jeff Hochberg will end his race at point 33.
The distance between 2 points is the length of the segment with those points as its endpoints.
This segment between 01 and 33 we will perform the distance formula on to see if the race was actually 5 miles.
Hi, my name is Dara Molotsky, and I'm here from Sports Math Insider. We have Jeff Hochberg here from Lenape High School, and we're going to try to figure out if he actually ran 5 miles in his race. Jeff, do you know what the distance formula is?
yeah, I do. It's the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared.
Thank you, Jeff. The formula that Jeff told us, I filled it in with the corresponding coordinates. For x2, I filled it in with the corresponding coordinate of 3. For x1, I filled it in with the corresponding coordinate of 0. For y2, I filled it in with the corresponding coordinate of 3 as well. And for y2, I filled it in with the corresponding coordinate of 1. So then we have the final formula, which is the square root of 3 minus 0 squared plus 3 minus 1 squared. To solve this equation, first you're going to do what's in the parentheses. 3 minus 0 is 3, and then put the squared, plus 3 minus 1 is 2, and then put the squared. 3 squared is 9, and 2 squared is 4. 9 plus 4 is 13.
The square root of 13 is
3.6. Jeff!
Yeah.
Sports Math Insider just did the math, and we figured out that the race is actually only 3.6 miles.
I will not stand for this.
Hi, my name is Dara Molotsky, and we're back at the studio for Math Sports Insider. We just found out that the race of champions at Lenape High School isn't actually 5 miles. It's actually 3.6 miles. 3.6 is a rounding of the actual number, which is irrational. An irrational number is a number that cannot be expressed as a terminating or repeating decimal.
Hey, Sports Math Insider, I heard that they're giving out refreshments exactly halfway through the race. Now, since you just proved that the race isn't exactly 5 miles, but it's actually 3.6, I want to still know if it's still halfway through the race. Can you prove that for me?
Well, Jeff, to figure out where halfway in between the races, you have to use the midpoint formula. To solve this formula, I'm going to put the x and y coordinates of the start and finish line in their corresponding spots. The x2 is 3, so I do 3 plus 0 over 2, 3 plus 1 over 2. 3 plus 0 is 3 over 2, would just be 3 halves. And 3 plus 1 is 4 over 2, which can be simplified down to 2 over 1. To simplify down, I'm going to change 3 over 2 to a decimal to 1.5, and 2 over 1 can be simplified down to just 2. The coordinates of the midpoint of the line are 1.5, 2. If the officials of the race wanted to place refreshments in the direct center of the race, they would have to put it on the point 1.52 on our graph. There is a road on the course of the race that intersects directly on the midpoint of the race, which is 1.52. This road is a segment bisector. A segment bisector is any line, segment, or plane that intersects a segment at its midpoint. And now signing off, Sports Math Insider, for Dara Molotsky and Jeff Hochberg. Have a good week. Goodbye.
Stay classy, Mount Laurel.